Mom, Dad, I'm saving money for a kid's electric car. I almost have enough. Great, Owen. Mom, Dad, look, I saved enough for a car. You're very responsible, Owen. We're proud of you. Will you buy me ice cream with your money? I'm just kidding, Owen.
Just look at this car, a real one, with a leather steering wheel and headlights like those of adult cars. I'm the coolest guy on this street because I have what others can only dream of.
Here you go, kids. Your pocket money for this week. I want chocolate chip ice cream. And I won't spend this money. I'm saving up for a car.
Owen was saving money. When his parents gave him pocket money, he also put it into the piggy bank because he really wanted to buy his own car.
Look, what a beautiful window display! Can we go in and have a look?
Of course, let's go.
Mom, look! I would love to have such a dress. Today we're just admiring, but I promise that soon we'll have a chance to make some purchases.
Wow, just look at this beauty! It's so cool! I can imagine how fast it can go. I could take my friends for rides. This is my ATV. No one dares to touch it.
Mark, can we at least take a closer look?
No, this is only mine, period.
Wow, look at that! The wheels are so big and powerful, they can handle any mud. I just can't wait to hit the gas right now.
Owen, this is for your pocket money.
Thank you, Dad. I've already saved up enough money to buy a quad bike, and now I can finally purchase it. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. I need to choose a quad bike. Probably, it's better to buy one like the one in this store. It can even go through difficult terrain. Wow, it's so beautiful. I've been dreaming about it for so long.
Good choice. This is the latest improved model of the quad bike.
Really? That's awesome.
Absolutely, it's perfect for you. Hi, why are you in a wheelchair?
I can't walk. I need a special operation, but my family doesn't have enough money.
I'm sorry.
Owen was standing before a difficult choice. He really wanted the car, but he also wanted to help the girl.
My name is Owen. What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Don't go anywhere. Wait for me here.
Okay. Wait for me, Anna. You must walk. It's much more important than having some quad bike.
There is enough money here to pay for Anna's operation. I want her to be able to walk like other children, and I can do without the quad bike.
Anna, here, this is for your operation. I hope it helps.
Owen, thank you. Thank you so much.
Owen didn't get his toy car, but he felt something much more important: the joy of helping someone else. I gave my money to a girl who needs an operation.
You did a very kind thing, Owen.
That's so nice, Owen. We're so proud of you. So I'll draw a big sun to make it warm. And flowers, lots of flowers. And here we're holding hands like this. And I'll write, get well soon.
Owen didn't know when or what would happen, but he did everything he could. And even a small step taken from the heart can change the world, if only for one person. Anna, we are here. Everything will be fine, I promise.
You are such a brave girl.
You are in safe hands. Anna, everything will be fine, I promise. We're all here to help you. Look at me and breathe steadily.
Okay, I'll try.
Come on, Anna, you can do it. Take a small step.
Great, well done. Another little step.
That's it, you're keeping your balance great.
I'm walking. I'm really walking.
Anna, this is for you. I wanted to make you smile.
Owen, thank you. You're such a kind boy. Thank you, Owen. You're my true friend.
I'm glad you liked it.
Anna, look, what a beautiful butterfly. It's almost like the one we saw in the book about tropical forests. Let's try to catch it. Let's go, but just don't let go of my hand or I'll fall behind.
Owen was left without his toy car, but his heart filled with warmth. He helped someone, and it turned out to be more valuable than a gift. Kindness is the most precious gift.
Put a like if you liked the video. Press the bell. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next interesting stories.